Welcome to FleetUp, the all-in-one platform for fleet and asset management. In this video, we'll show you how to use the Geofence, asset pairing, and utilization tools. Geofences are virtual borders you can create around specific areas. You can then set up alerts for when vehicles enter or exit a geofence, or for conditions like a vehicle speeding within a geofence boundary. You can see existing geofences by clicking the Geofence button on the advanced map. The left menu displays all your existing geofences, and you can search by fence or group name. Click a geofence to open the Edit Geofence window, which allows you to change the fence's name and description, or add it to a group. You can also add or delete vehicles, set up entry and exit alerts, and set a speed limit for vehicles moving within the area. You can also delete the geofence, or save any changes you made to it. To create a new geofence, enter an address in the Enter a Location field, and click the Go button to zoom into the location. You can also zoom to a location manually. You can use the geofence buttons to create different shaped geofences. The Circle button creates a circular geofence that you can center on your target location, while the Hexagon button allows you to create custom polygon shapes. Left-click your mouse to place a polygon node, then move your mouse and click again to create additional nodes. Move your mouse to the starting node, and click it to close the polygon shape. The Create Geofence window opens automatically after you complete your shape. Fence name is a required field, and you can enter an optional description for your geofence. You can pick the default geofence group, or select from any groups you've pre-configured. You can create new groups by clicking the Geofence Group Setting button, then clicking New Geofence Group. Add vehicles to your new geofence by scrolling through your vehicle inventory. You can add all of your vehicles, add a group, or add just a single vehicle. You can choose whether to generate alerts when a vehicle enters or exits a geofence, and set a speed limit to ensure that drivers maintain safe speeds within the boundary. Click Save Changes to finish setting up your new geofence, and it will appear in the list on the left. You can also modify the color of your geofence by clicking the color drop-down arrow to open the color picker. Use the slider to adjust the color spectrum, then click anywhere in the picker window to select your color, or enter a hex value and hit the Enter key to set the geofence color. Asset pairing allows you to create dynamic geofences based on a moving asset. A use case is a vehicle delivering cement to a variety of construction sites. The delivery vehicle can be assigned a geofence that moves with it, and stationary construction site assets can be paired to the delivery vehicle. You'll then receive notifications when the delivery vehicle moves within range of the stationary assets. To create a dynamic geofence through asset pairing, click the Asset Pairing button. Then click Add New Pairing. Select the main asset from your list of vehicles. You can keep the original name of the vehicle, or enter a custom name. Select a radius for the geofence, ranging from 25 feet to 1 mile. You can keep the default color for the geofence, or select a custom color using the Color Picker window. Next, select the assets you want to pair from your list of vehicles. Alerts are enabled by default, and you can configure automatic notifications using FleetUp's Custom Alert Notifications feature. Click Save to finish setting up your new pairing. FleetUp's Utilization feature lets you quickly see which of your vehicles or assets are within geofences. From the advanced map, click the Utilization button. FleetUp queries the system, then opens the Utilization window, which shows an up-to-date status of which vehicles and assets are within any of your defined geofences. The bottom of the Utilization window also summarizes the total number of geofences, vehicles, and assets in your account. The window shows one asset currently within a geofence, and we can click the asset value to see the asset name and the time it entered the geofence. You can scroll to the bottom of the window to see the total number of vehicles and assets that are not currently within a geofence boundary, and click a total to see the vehicle or asset group, name, and time they last entered a geofence. You can return to the utilization display and click the refresh button to update the window to the latest information. The Geofence tab provides detailed reports of all your fleet's geofence activity, including vehicle number, fence name, enter and exit times, and duration. You can view data from a variety of pre-configured date ranges, or enter a custom range. You can generate a report by selecting the report type and clicking the reports icon. Enter an email address if you want recipients to be notified when the report is ready, then click the Submit button to generate the report. Recipients will receive an email when the report is ready, along with a link to download the report in Excel format. You can also view the new report, along with previously generated reports, by clicking the Historical Reports button. The Download Detail window shows a complete list of reports, along with information about who generated them and when, a link to download the report, and a link that shows the requested data that was included in the report. To learn more about FleetUp, contact us at customersuccess@fleetup.com or visit our knowledge base at fleetup.com/support.